Does your vehicle have unwanted scuffs and dents? Your Vehicle Smart team have got you covered. Vehicle Smart is based in Middlesbrough, and we offer a fantastic bumper scuff and scratch repair service on a wide range of cars, vehicles and vans in and around the North East. Our Smart Repair technicians visit you at your home or place of work to offer you a free, no-obligation quote. If suitable, we can do the repair at your place of work or at the comfort of your own home. You are more than welcome to visit the body shop based in Middlesbrough. Fill in your quotation form on our website at www.vehicle-smart.co.uk to see how we can help you. Or give us a call on 0164 242 2339.